Struggling to track account locations in Salesforce? Learn to add a geolocation field in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through the setup, from the gear icon to saving your new field. Follow these 14 simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, from the Quick Settings menu, click on Open Advanced Setup. Now, in the Advanced Setup, click on Object Manager. In Object Manager, choose a label. For this tutorial, we'll select Account. From the left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. Then click the New button to create a new field. In the Field Type picker, select Geolocation. Then click Next to proceed. Type a field label, like Location. Click the field name box to automatically populate it based on the label. Then enter the number of decimal places you want for the coordinates. Click Next to continue. Click Next again to confirm your settings. Finally, click Save to create the geolocation field. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.